everyone, welcome back to the show. Continuing now again in Salina, where we were last week with our friends from Stutzman's with the one and only Ben. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Love having you guys out here.
Yes, we love coming out here, especially exploring your new locations,
your
locations that are new to us.
It's new to you. First time, this segment that we've just been doing here has been new. Salina's been, we've been in Salina for, goodness, 10, 12 years. It is our #1 location, and we love it here.
Yes.
But one of the things I just want to touch on a little bit today is, we're in the middle of summer. We're in the middle of July. It's hot. We've seen triple digits and high humidity, sometimes dry with wind. But what we've really concentrated through the summer, and we've talked about the heat-loving plants that we grow. But one of the things I just want to touch on from the standpoint of taking care of the plant material, and we've done segments on that. But on any of these genetics that really do handle this heat, out in the heat like this, you have a hose laying on the sidewalk. That water in that hose is literally almost to a boiling point.
Yeah.
So you always want to make sure that you run the water out before you put it onto a plant. And also realize that this time of the year, you're going to be watering more frequently. And so the nutrients that are in that soil are going to be flushing out on kind of gradually.
Yes.
So just a reminder, of course I would have to do it with Systems Plant, plant food, but really go by label instructions on this. Watering your patio planters or anything in the ground as great side dress with the water-soluble fertilizer.
Yeah.
So it's always Stutzman season.
Yes, always.
And so the plant material that, like I've been saying, this time of the year truly can handle our summer heat.
Thankfully, because it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And it's not even too late to start planting some things as well.
Well, the thing that we go with a little larger container, which easily is planted and take off. The Vink is always a real popular one. Purslane, Puichalaka, Pentas, in different colors. And like I said, this material, we've been growing completely outdoors. All in our whole production is completely outdoors, so it's already toughened to whatever we have. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, and it's just that time. We're halfway through the summer. Kind of refresh your garden beds, your patios, whatever you need. You can find at any of your Stutzman's locations.
Correct.
How can people find more information?
Always go to Stutzmans.com, or to connect directly with Jason, who does our Stutzman's Home and Garden Show. Go to questions@stutzmans.com and he'll get back with you.
All right, sounds good. I am going to go shopping after we're done with this, but thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
Ben.
Love having you.
We'll have more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.
This segment of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's Greenhouse. From their garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived. Gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green with us.